Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today I'm doing a layout for a game in a Facebook group called Bash Your Scrapbook Stash, and we're doing a World Series game. And we've got teams, and we all create as many layouts as we can for each game. So there's a game a week, and it runs for 4 weeks, and each game we're given a list of criteria where we earn points, and if you want to do extra, then you get more points. So game 1 is okay, sorry, I couldn't read my writing there for a minute. Oh my gosh. Game 1. Right, the elements that are 1 point each. So if you include these elements on your layout, you get a point each for the team. You don't have to use them all, you can just use one, and then you get 1 point for that layout. I'm trying to include all the elements in my layout. But there's also Grand Slam technique, sorry, that you can do, which will give you an extra 2 points. So the elements to use are 3 stickers, a chipboard element, 6 enamel dots, sequence or bling, and a Project Life cut apart or journaling card. Your Grand Slam technique to get extra points is use a stencil, embossing or die cut masking. Right, I'm not worried about the technique this time around in this game. I'm just going to be using the elements. So I have my bling. I've got 2 to choose from. Not sure which are going to land on the page yet, but I have them here. I have my journaling or Project Life cut apart. So this is from a Christmas cut apart sheet. So that doubles up as journaling and a cut apart element. I have my 3 stickers. These are from a swap years and years and years ago, and yeah, I just haven't used them yet. I don't know why, because they're really pretty. So they are my stickers. My chipboard element is these 3 chipboard headings that I painted with red paint. Ho ho ho, presents and center, and that is my heading for the layout. So the photos I'm doing are of my son when he was probably 4 or 5. And this is a Christmas where he got really spoiled. I mean, look at all those presents. They were all big things, like a swimming pool and a what's it called, a pirate thing, and a big Hot Wheels racetrack, and they were all really big toys that year. Unbelievable. I think that possibly was no, I don't know. I thought it was going to be the year his sister was born, but obviously not, because she was born in November, which means she wouldn't need a high chair yet in November, like come December. So anyway, yeah, so these are the photos I'm doing. I'm going to get to it. We'll see what I can create, and I'll be back at the end. there we go. There's the finished layout. That came together really, really quickly. And would you believe all the patterned paper is just scraps that I had. So I went to a collection that I knew was Christmas and blues because my son has like an aqua colour on. So I knew I had some blue Christmas paper somewhere, and the base page is the reverse of this Christmas one. And yes, I know I had to sacrifice this beautiful paper, but I wanted a blue background with a bit of texture in it, and that was perfect. I still had a bit of this paper as a scrap that I'd use from another page, so I got to use it. And then these others were scraps as well, so it worked out really well. I have my 3 stickers, my 6 bling. I actually have 9 bling on this page. What else do I have to use? I had to use chipboard elements, which I have the 3 here, and I had to use a Project Life or journaling card, which I did. And the requirements also is you have to have photos with people on it, not just the photo mats, and you have to actually have journaling on them, on the layouts, for them to count. So I actually did the journaling. Yeah, so there you go. If you want to join in on the fun, it's too late to join the teams, I think, but you can still challenge yourself with the prompts and make layouts for yourself using these prompts. It's lots of fun. It makes you think outside the box sometimes and use things that you normally wouldn't use or put together or something along those lines. So yeah, I found this really fun. I don't know if I'll get any more done for week 1, but I'll definitely going to try and do at least 1 layout per game. So I'll be back with those when they happen. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. I'll also have the group linked below. Sorry, I forgot to say that. The Bash Your Scrapbooks Facebook group I'll have linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.